mga politika natin wala yari Ben Barubal. Nandito na yung pinakamagtago ka. Kung isa ka sa kanila, hamalas ka. Pag nakita ka niya, hayari kang talaga. Yung mga politikong di parehas sa bansang Pilipinas, pinipilas ng pinakamaangas nating bida na si Ben Barubal.
Hello guys. I'm not okay right now. I'm very mad to this clown. You know what? You are making me frown. So stop, look, listen and learn. Please stop acting like you are concerned. So don't blame me, huh? If to my barubalization, you will burn.
Akala mo siguro makakalusot ka sa panggagago mo sa taong bayan, sa panglalait mo sa inihalal ng taong bayan. Kakamali ka. Ano to? Hit and run?
How dare you to say this? Who give you the right to say this? Do you want me to slap your face? Este face? Are you one of Pinklawan dog? How can you say this? You didn't even know how to speak Tagalog.
Nakapakailamero kayong mga taga-ibang bansa, taga-ibang country dito sa bansa namin. Kunyari kayong mga matutulungin. Pero
Then you want people to believe you? Please go back to your country. We don't need you. Project Nightfall. Don't worry. All of your project will fall. So guys, don't believe this vlogger. He is just fooling people.
nightmare dapat yan, hindi nightfall.
You know, you have a thick face. Or you want to join them in the good place. What's wrong with you, huh? We didn't even know you. Right at this moment, huh? I will tell people to unfollow you and report you.
Alam nyo ba yung mga kano na yan? Yung karamihan dyan sa mga kano. Matututo mag-Tagalog yan. Mga kunyari, magandang araw po. Yung iba naman nating kababayan, tuwan-tuwa, uy, nag-Tagalog, subscribe.
After you post these misleading accusations, you will post delete? Oh, come on. Stop messing around. You must know your ground. Or do you want to hear this sound? After you cause damage, you will just say sorry? Damage is already done, white monkey.
Gagawa-gawa ka ng content. Nakatangahan lang naman ang nilalaman. Ano nag-feed sa'yo? Yung isang creator mo na taga-uste? Kasi tabi hindi po sa lahat ng UST student o alumni ito. Doon lang sa isang tanga rin na yung uste na nagtatrabaho sa ABS-CBN.
Why you are interfering us? Interfering us. Slang. I know you are one of Pinklawan gang. What if I will interfere with your life? You will be happy? Huh? Say something, huh? Hey you, listen. You are using our country for your own benefit. With your fake stories, you are making profit.
I will go there in the Philippines. Oh, English. I will go there. I just, some budget concerns.
Oh my goodness. Now we know your true personality. Please don't trust this vlogger. He is a clown dummy. I guess you are challenging me. Well, challenge accepted. Your video is 100% fake and exaggerated. If I will rate your personality, oh my gosh, 0 rated. Because you're fake like a gold-plated. Stop fooling all Filipinos. You made these videos because you are a fan of Aquinos? Don't tell me he is your boss. Please listen to me. Let me educate you, Mr. Dummy.
Yung mga ganyang klaseng mga banyaga, mga mukhang pera lang yan.
Let's start with Philippine Airlines. January 1992, the government of Cory Aquino sold 67% share of Philippine Airlines. To what cost? 9.78 billion pesos. They sold to whom? To AB Capital and Investment Corporation. Now, are you listening, Project Nightfall? But wait, there's more. Second, the scandalous issue of Meralco. In 1975, Meralco owned by Lopez family. Lopez family approached Ferdinand Marcos Sr. for their financial problem. Because of what? Because of their huge debt. On June 11, 1978, government of Marcos purchased Meralco's power generating units at a total cost of 1.1 billion pesos. And the scandalous part is this. In 1987, Cory Aquino returned the ownership of Meralco to the Lopez family for free. Did you hear me? Huh? For free. Third, Petron Corporation in 1973 martial law period. PNOC acquired ESO Philippines at the height of the first oil crisis, now known as Petron Corporation. Now, what is the big deal about this? Make sure fasten your seatbelt. In 1994, during the presidency of Fidel V. Ramos, PNOC and Saudi Aramco signed a stock purchase agreement that gave Aramco 40% ownership of Petron. Now what can you say? Huh? And take note, ha? In the same year, 20% of PNOC shares were sold. Hey, Dami! What are you now? Ano ka ngayon? Shame on you! Ano, paya ka ngayon?
Bilyon lang ang budget ni Ferdinand Edralin Marcos. Pero ang daming napagawa. Tingnan mo to.
May bagong silang, may bago ng buhay, bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan.
So yan, iilan lang yan, iilan. At eto naman yung pinaniniwalaan yung disente na totoong nagpahirap sa bayan. Take note, 6 na taon, trilyon ang budget. Ano ang napala ng taong bayan? Ang achievement, demokrasya. Ang napagawa, rebulto. Pagpapalit ng mga pangalan ng ating institusyon. At ang nag-iisang project dyan sa flyover sa Ortigas. Yun lang.
You are creating videos but you don't know what you're doing? Oh my golly, wow! Stop joking! Or you want to experience how to do the planking? So now, you've learned your lesson. If not, I will teach you a lesson. Ben, what lesson? The barubalization. So next time, think before you post. If you want people to believe you, be a professional host, not a fake clown host. First of all, you're not a citizen here. So good luck to your project falling career. You know what? This is not an easy thing to do. English version, just to barubalization you. Now, what you gonna do?
Tolben, ang bangis. The barubalization. First time, nag-English. And take note, Mr. Fall. Again, do not interfere within our country. We don't need you here, idiot. Ingat.